Everyone is talking about wavespeedai lately, but is it actually worth your money? Or just another AI platform with too many promises? So wavespeedai is basically an AI generation hub that gives you access to hundreds of AI models for image generation, video creation, audio tools, and editing, all inside one platform. Instead of using separate AI websites for every task, the idea here is speed and convenience. Now, quick trust check. wavespeedai has been growing pretty fast in the AI creator space, especially among developers and AI content creators. The platform itself appears legitimate, and one of the biggest things people praise is the generation speed. In real use, most users like how quickly they can test different AI models without constantly switching tools. For example, if you're making YouTube shorts, AI videos, or social media content daily, being able to generate images and videos from one dashboard can seriously speed up workflow. But, well, beginners may feel overwhelmed because there are so many models and settings. And some users complain that costs can rise quickly if you generate lots of videos. On the plus side, you get access to hundreds of AI tools, very fast generation speeds, flexible pay-as-you-go pricing, and support for both image and video workflows. On the downside, pricing can become unpredictable. Outputs vary depending on the model you choose, and the platform feels more advanced than beginner-friendly. Now, value for money. This makes the most sense for creators, agencies, or developers generating AI content regularly. Compared to paying for multiple separate AI tools, it can actually save time and money. But if you only create content occasionally, honestly, you may never use enough features to justify the cost. So, worth it if you're serious about AI content creation and want speed plus flexibility. Not worth it if you just want a simple beginner AI tool. Final recommendation. Is powerful platform for advanced creators, but probably too much for casual users. So this review is based on public product information and user feedback. So if this helped you decide, drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.